111 million African children aren't in school right now. We're not okay with this, and we're doing something about it by donating 50% of our profits to keep disadvantaged children in school. Hi, my name's Nate Tyrella, and I'm the founder and head guide of Adventure Out Loud. Adventure Out Loud is an African travel specialist on a mission to make a difference in the world through adventure travel. Adventure Out Loud believe in doing the right thing and being a responsible tourism provider. To us, this means buying local where possible, paying fair wages to our local staff and contractors, reducing our environmental footprint as much as possible, contributing to animal conservation, and preserving local culture as part of our adventures. We're also a social enterprise, and to us this means we need to put the same emphasis on making a profit as we do on making a difference. And it's for that reason that we donate 50% of our profits to keep disadvantaged children in school. We also make it possible for you personally to sponsor a student through school. And as part of your adventure, we take you to meet this student so you can see firsthand the difference that you're making. So let's hear from some of our sponsor students and hear what some of their aspirations are and what education has inspired them to achieve so far.
Hello everyone, my name is Faith Rovina, a beneficiary of Mirror of Hope and a student at Moi Girls School, Nairobi, and I'd love to do software engineering. What inspired me to want to do software engineering is because I love interacting with computers, and I'd also want to be part of the people that will help the society through technology. I'd love to develop softwares that will solve the challenges that our country and the whole world is facing.
My dream is to become a telecommunication engineer so that I can help people to produce machines which can be used for communication in the future. Thank you for giving me one step ahead in achieving my dreams.
Without an education, these students would struggle to get a good job and break free from the cycle of poverty that they were born into. Education is particularly important for young women in Africa because a good job means that they have independence. Independence to choose if and when they marry or have children. And that's a game changer in Africa. Not only do you get to meet your sponsor student as part of your adventure, you also get to meet their family and immerse in their culture, go to their house and learn to cook a traditional feast. And that's really amazing, and all of our adventurers come back raving about that experience. Here's what some of them have to say.
Just do it. I had no idea how I was going to pay for it before I committed, but I'm just super grateful that we created a way to get here, and now I'm left with bliss and a yearning to come back already.
It's been amazing. I've learned so much about myself. African culture is just, you just can't describe it because it's just so different to anything I've experienced before. The people here are absolutely incredible. The kids here are just amazing. Like, they're just the happiest kids, so loving, and everyone I've met along the way has just been such a character, and I'm going to really, really treasure those relationships for the rest of my life. If you want to do a trip to Africa, choose Adventure Out Loud.
With 111 million African children out of school and hundreds of millions of adventurers itching to explore post-COVID, imagine the difference we'd make if each of us visiting Africa sponsored a disadvantaged child through school. If making a difference and travel are important to you, join the Adventure Out Loud community to find out more about how you can explore Africa and make a difference at the same time.